Hello guys, it's Big Daddy Hoffman 1911 coming to you today. Just got off of work and I thought I'd come out here and relieve a little stress if I could, you know. The other day I done a video on the Smith & Wesson Shield 9mm, and I held this little guy up as a comparison. And this is the Beretta Storm. Yeah. It says Px4 Storm 9mm. You know, I realized that I never fired this pistol, and I got to looking at it, and it's got some great features on it. So I think we need to give this thing a spin. So let's do that, and I'll show it to you a little closer later. Okay, here we go. Yes, indeed. I think this is going to be a good one right here. Yeah, Beretta Px4 Storm. Look at that, guys. I bet you can't guess what's coming up next. Oh yeah, very nice looking pistol right there. Let's give her a little whirl there. I'm liking this. Yeah. Okay, let's get right up close and personal with this bad boy. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's about all I got to say about that. Yeah. Check the info under the video, guys. Very nice. Sweet baby Jesus right here.